Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and let's start our today's drawing. First we will draw a curved line like this, and then from here one line, then we will join these two lines, okay? After that from here and from here, then one tree like shape we will draw. More time, then we will draw the beak like this, then now eyes. Okay, eyes is done. Now we are going to draw the wings. Now leg, like this we'll draw. Then this is the upper part of the nest. Nest we are going to draw like this. It's very simple. We have to draw some lines. Okay, here I am going to draw two baby birds. Then some leaves I am going to draw. Branch of the tree like this, and leaves we can add. You can add as much as you want. Some more line for the nest. Okay, our drawing is ready. Now let's color. So here our drawing is ready. Children, if you want more videos like this, then like, share and subscribe my channel. And also you can write in the comment section what to draw for the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.